Chris, you want to do the polar bear plunge?
How many shots of airsoft BBs would it take to shoot through?
It's not all the way frozen.
And now we're starting filming, okay.
I gotta get mine.
Alright.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Hit!
Hey guys, welcome back to 500 Airsoft. Today we're playing a little bit of
You're
Casino Royale, and I will soon be explaining how that all works.
So the goal is, we have to get these tokens into Sierra at the bucket. I know. We just need to charge in there.
Except we can't really charge in there because, you know, there's other people that are there and that would probably be willing to shoot us. So,
go down here,
if you can't go straight ahead, you might as well go the other way around.
Oof. That was slick.
Yeah, today that I was playing, it was almost 10 degrees outside, there was ice everywhere, and it was making it very, very hard to play Airsoft. But all in all, I had a great time. So a couple months ago, there was another objective game that required me to do this exact same trail. And so when I got to the same point, I realized,
you know what's funny? This isn't the first time I've done this.
so here I want to make sure, double check
Hey, green
and
guy
triple
behind you.
check that I am secure and I can cross before I actually do.
Where? Okay. I'm looking.
So I get intel that there's somebody to my right, and I want to make sure that there is nobody there before I cross.
Hey, can I? You're good. Thank you. Hey, can I run over there? Nope. Oh, yep, that's close. Probably. Hey, I'm coming up.
And I missed that token.
Oh, I got hit in the finger. All right, we're good.
So the best thing to do there
one.
was to go straight in and try to complete the objective, because at that point there were 2 other people there and you didn't really want to hold those other people up.
I wonder what running straight up would do.
So now that
Guys,
I know that we
Come on.
have a bunch of people that are protecting the Sierra location,
Where?
we want to try to just get there as soon as possible so that they don't have to hold that location for long.
Hey, other side! Other side of the Guam! Other side of the fob!
Wow, I'm so bad at communication.
Other side of Sierra! Where? On the other side!
So 2 of our teammates were at Sierra, and then 2 teammates of the other team were at Sierra.
See him?
So what ended up happening is that they had to come back around. Now, somebody called up that they needed backup, and then I pulled on my hero, and I was like, I have to go. Somebody calls for backup, try to support them. It doesn't matter if you're halfway across the field. Try to do it.
Yep. All right. Anything?
I shot one down here that was shooting for me there.
You know.
You got a teammate.
You got a location of them at all? Hey! You're good. They're all the way over there. They're all the way over there.
Okay,
They're good.
Maybe behind this tree right here on the right. Directly from you.
Well, I'll shoot at the tree, see if we'll do anything.
Oftentimes, if you shoot at the location that the person is in, they sometimes flinch and try to shoot back.
I'll go down to the barrels. I don't mind getting hit.
I'll come with you.
No, you should stay right here so that if I do get hit, you know exactly where it is.
So that's something to learn, is that this is Airsoft, and you get as many respawns as you want. So
Stay right here.
if you want to send one person down there to be the guinea pig, then worst case scenario, they get hit, and then they have to go back to respawn. But now you know exactly where the other person is.
Clear. Clear. Hi. If you can bound it to that black thing, I'm gonna come up the hill and do the exact same thing I did last time, because that's how I scored, okay? I'm gonna do that again, ready? To bound it to the black thing, go.
So the best thing to do when you're moving to cover is trying to go in overlapping movements. So have one person move up, stop, and then have another person move up and stop.
There.
So this way that none of you are moving at the same time, and none of you are going or standing up at the same time either.
I don't see him. Alright. I'm looking. Yeah, sorry about that. I don't see him, man.
So coming out into this opening, I know that there are 2 people at the Sierra fob. I know that there is 1 person to my left. So this makes me very confident that will be able to get to the Sierra fob and return my token.
Hey, green to your right. Green to your right. I'm over here. You dead? Hey, green, green.
Alright, so now that I know that there's somebody to my right that's on my team, now that I have confidence that I can cross over here without getting hit. And like I said, ice is very slippery,
It's looking like
especially when it's 10 degrees
here,
outside.
ready? Shoot, shoot, start shooting. Go, come on. Get out there.
Teamwork makes the dream work.
Gotcha. Guys, go back and get a poker chip. Go back and go get a poker chip. Hey, got you right. Go back and go get a poker chip. Now. Go and get a poker chip and bring it back.
Let me know if I'm in the way. I'm just checking.
Put it in the bucket?
Yeah, put it in the bucket, man, right now.
Push up a little bit. Let's keep getting it.
Alright. You got that.
So now another person has the idea to push up so that if they were to start coming and attacking us in big waves, that they wouldn't have a chance to even get close. And so that's a great idea, is that when you are at a trail like this, you're going to want to split up into pairs almost, so that that one person is covering the right side, you have another person that's covering the left side.
What do you see? What do you see? Alright, I'm looking. Alright.
So with this fork in the road...
Hey, I'll cover your right. I'll cover your right.
So with this fork in the road, I am covering the right side while he's covering the left side.
Hey, guys, go get guys, go get poker chips. Go get poker chips. Go get poker chips. You guys, go get poker chips.
Hey, let me know when you're at a poker chip and everyone has scored.
Yeah. I'm looking. Go get poker chips and bring them back. Let us know when you're out.
A lot of times new players tend to focus up on shooting rather than playing for the objective. And that's one thing that I want everybody to learn, is that if you can't shoot them because they're not attacking you, you might as well score the objective.
I'm looking right. I don't see anybody. Contact. Yep, right side. He's behind that hill. He's behind the hill. Put him in the bucket if you can. I think we should be out by now. I got at least 3. Hey, contact!
Got him, one down.
You got him? Awesome. Bro, friendly.
He's on that right flank.
Yep. Hit!
So in an objective game like this, a lot of times
Hit.
you see people that are walking back to spawn very slowly. But
Hit.
in reality, you need to get the objective done as quickly as possible. So if you want to run back to spawn, that's honestly the best thing to do.
Are we out of poker chips yet? You have 2 left? Hi. Come on, grab the poker chips and go. Oh, that's it? No, one more. Come on. Let's just rush up there. Right now. Ready? Come on. Let's go. Last chip coming inbound. Last chip
Good to
coming
communicate
inbound.
that so that everybody can finalize
Last
their
chip.
last position and make sure that there aren't any last enemies.
Last chip.
Game over.
Yep.
You wanna the thing inside the box. You just wanna hit the siren.
Yeah.
Game over. Game over.
Sorry about
So anyways,
that.
thanks for watching 500 Airsoft. Make sure to like and subscribe to the channel, and we'll definitely be posting some more videos soon. Thanks for watching.